Hi there, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you very quickly how to manage your stock settings. Now, with stock settings, you can set things like, the number of items that can trigger or that should trigger a low stock alert to let you know that you're running out of stock on a particular product. Also showing out of stock items on your website and more. Now, to navigate to this, first of all, you come to General Settings under Operations on the menu on the left side of your screen. Then under Inventory Settings, you just scroll down to Manage Stock Settings. Now, the first thing you can see is your low stock. Set the number of items that will trigger a low stock alert. So basically what you want to do here is set the number of items that once your inventory hits that item, you get a notification that you're running low on stock. Now, depending on the quantity you have for the product or how you sell, you can choose the number of items to set. So for example, here we had 3 before. It can be 4, it can be 5, depending on you. Then also you can show out of stock items. So if you activate this, your customers will be able to see out of stock items on the website. Basically, when they try to shop, they will see if the product that they're trying to buy is out of stock. So to do that, you just toggle this on. Then here it says show stock count. And this basically shows the number of stock left for each product on your website. Also, like the way this works, your customers will be able to see the number of items left in stock, or rather the number of items for that product that are left. And obviously this will help them know how many items to buy or if they should quickly buy before the item runs out of stock. So once you're done setting this up, you just click on save and your settings will be updated, and now you can see all these things displayed on your website. So now let's see what this looks like on the website. So for example, the setting that allows your customer see how many items are left in stock. So here on the website now, when your customers are shopping, when they come to product, they will see that you have only 7 left in stock for this particular item. They will see here, for example, that you have only 1 left in stock for this particular item. So that's how the stock settings works, and it can prompt them to quickly make a purchase before it runs out of stock, before you run out of stock on that item. So now you can see, for example, here, availability, 7 left in stock. So that's how that works. For the low stock count, once you're running low on stock, you get a notification informing you that you are running low on stock. So let me show you what the out of stock one also looks like. So let's say we want to find a product that is out of stock on our website. So we have this product. So here, once you click on it, they will see that it is out of stock. Now, one beautiful thing is that you can set up the back in stock notifications or settings on your Bumpa web app. So here, when you do that, your customers can click on this and you will notify them, or rather the system will notify them once you add this product back in stock. It is all automated. And to see how to set that up, you can look through our extensions videos or extensions tutorials to see how to set up back in stock notifications. It's an extension setting. But basically, this is how it looks like when you've set up your stock settings on the Bumpa web app, so your customers can see when you have products out of stock or the number of products you have in stock. And that's it for how to manage your stock settings. I will see you in the next video. Bye.